नहीं, जी निकाल दीजिए. Amit sounds much more better. Okay, guys, we're
Yes.
going to cover up in exactly 2 to 3 minutes. Action packed. मेरे पास कोई suggestion नहीं है. I'm not a guy who suggests. I'm a guy who's on the ground and I do things the way it is. प्रशांत जी हंसू नका. इतका हंसायची गरज नहीं है. Lot of ideas came through and guys, come on. एक शेर याद आया. इन्हीं पत्थरों पे चलकर अगर आ सको तो आ जाओ. मेरे घर के रास्ते में कोई कहकशा नहीं है. कहकशा म्हणजे मिल्की वे. There are no Milky Ways, guys, and let's not have a defeatist approach about India. I was given 3 points by Anandji. First was on Nagpur startups. There is so much of amazing things happening. Me 3 आठवडे नागपूरला आहे. I don't come to Nagpur as a visitor. I come to Nagpur to stay and work with Nagpur. नागपुरी खून है. So there is the good news is, and Anandji and team, the good news is, Indian Institute of Management Nagpur, they have already agreed to do a tie-up with us. That will be a wonderful tie-up. We are establishing a $5 million incubation center. Because I am a part of now of IIM Nagpur, and I think there will be a lot of amazing things that we can do with IIM Nagpur. Nagpur University, the key contact person is Professor Shivaji, and at any stage, Anandji, we will talk to him and we will sign up a MOU or we'll get a deal done. Nagpur University, थकेली यूनिवर्सिटी जो थी उन्होंने अभी इनोवेशन चालू कर दिया है. There is Abhay Deshmukh and Kavita Deshmukh. They have actually been appointed by Nagpur University as incubators and startup mentors, and they are very keen to work with Garze Marathi group. So there will be a wonderful connect with the Nagpur University that we will do. Pradyumna, myself, and Samir, we also know of a young, amazing individual called Poonam Khandelwal. She is part of India's largest incubator called Venture Catalyst. She is from Nagpur. I've spoken to her, and she actually can be one of our amazing mentors. She is somebody who is actually right now raising funds to a tune which we would love to raise. But she's somebody who is from Nagpur, from Vidarbha, from Maharashtra, and she could be a person on the ground to be part of this Nagpur startup hub that we are trying to establish.
Yes.
That's the
Yes.
first point. ईस्ट एशिया चाइना वाज द सेकंड पॉइंट. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? प्रद्युम्न आप तो बात करोगे ही, but along with Pradyumna, what I and Pradyumna will look at is, can we establish a formal company either in Bangkok or in Singapore, like we are doing in US, like we are doing in India. We would Pradyumna and myself will work on this, and we will come back to you within a couple of weeks on what we can do on that one. That will be our East Asia thing really structured, get some team members aligned, and we do that. Just to break the monotony, this is what innovation is all about. These are not firecrackers; these are seeds. They've been made by a Nagpur company. Basically, just put this into the soil, and you have different seeds that grow in. Amazing innovation
Yes.
that's happening on the
Yes.
ground here.
Yes.
It is mind-boggling. Calendar, ये पत्ता निकालो और जमीन में डाल दो. There are seeds here, and they will grow trees. Level of innovation is just amazing, and these are companies which are really doing well. Last point, and then I'll really shut up. GMG Innovation Academy. Anandji, the concept is Mahan, MAHAN, mentorship, assisting in fund and all that. Honor and award, very important. We need to put up a team, put up a structure where we can actually do a awards night for the companies that we look at. Advertise is A is for advertise, and then navigate. Last is N,
Navigate.
MAHAN. We need to navigate these guys. But more precisely, I have spoken to a wonderful person called Shrikant Dev. Guess where he's from? He's
Yes.
actually part of Dr. Marshalkar's team.
Yes. You told
I
me.
mean, and that would be a wonderful way for us to have a paid person completely dedicated to for the Innovation Academy. We could either set that up in Pune or in Mumbai, and that would be really something that we can do structured on the Innovation Academy. He says, Amit, let's put up a blueprint. Let's actually run it with Dr. Marshalkar if we want to, so that we define the purpose, we define the principles, and then if you need be, we can register that academy and we can have one person from not Shrikant, but one person from his team nominated to GMG as a full-time employee for that Innovation Academy.
Perfect. Perfect.
बस
That's
आज
nice.
इतना ही.
बहुत को. See, especially Innovation Academy, I really want to make Innovation Academy as an official company, official institution. Then only we can give certificates. People will put those certificates on their LinkedIn profile also. So that is what
Correct.
we want to do. Very nice, Amit. Highly encouraging. Let us move ahead with that. Anybody else who wants to chip in, share some